Hey Brian, my name is Zach. I called y'all's office earlier and was talking to McKenna. I was just letting her know what I do, and I wanted to send this video to you. I own a marketing company in Paris called 6x6 Media. Every time I'm driving around town, I always see y'all's billboards. I know y'all are in the market for marketing and advertising, trying to get your name out there. So I dug a little deeper in as far as what y'all do and what areas y'all expand to. The two that I want to focus on today are Paris and Tyler. But just to back up a little bit, I want to show you three things that y'all can do to y'all's website to really optimize your online presence and bring more clients through your front door. I found these three small steps to be a really good starting stone for really getting moving in the right direction as far as people doing a general search for your line of work and you being the first one to pop up in various areas that you're trying to target. First thing I want to jump into out of those three things is going to be content. So what Google considers as content is anything on your homepage that you can highlight. So all this right here is considered content. There it goes. All this is considered content. They like to see at least 1,500 words worth of keyword dense content to push you to the top of the page. Right now, I'm going to pull up this tool. It's called SEO Quake. You can download it and use it for free yourself. Right now, y'all are looking at 683 words. And this is for y'all's Paris service webpage. So that being said, y'all are looking at 683 words. I did a quick Google search for the Paris area, and aside from this index right here for personal injury lawyers, Paris, Texas, you have this index of lawyers, and then the number one organic law firm in Paris that pops up is the Moore Law Firm. So I went ahead and jumped into their website, looking at it. It's got a little bit more content than y'all's does. And they're going to be targeting more of the Paris area since they don't really target any other areas like y'all do as far as y'all targeting, Tyler, Mount Vernon, Greenville, etc. Going to go to SEO Quake for their website. And they're actually only running 633. So, it'd be really easy to overtake the Paris market as far as being the first one to pop up on Google. Now I want to go ahead and move into the Tyler market. So we did a personal injury attorney Tyler, Texas search. The first organic to pop up was the law office of Keith Miller. We'll go ahead and take a look at y'all's Tyler, Texas service page. So y'all don't really have any content on here aside from address, but people searching for you in Tyler, they're never going to be able to pull you up because there's nothing telling them what you do in Tyler. So we're going to go to SEO Quake. 332 words on your page for the Tyler service page. So that's you're 1,200 shy where you need to be, pretty close. You're going to take a look at Keith Miller. So you can see he's got a good bit of content here on his homepage, targeting the Tyler, Texas area. Some more law firm. Okay, here's Keith Miller. So he's at 1,000 words. He's still not at the 1,500 word mark. And we haven't even gotten into keywords yet, but everybody that I've referenced so far, they're not even to the 1,500 word mark yet, much less targeting the correct keywords. That being said, I'm going to go to this other tool that I have called Ahrefs. We can pull up the keywords that we're going to be looking at. So y'all have 289 organic keywords. And these are all the keywords that you're targeting right now. So you can see Tyler, Texas car accident. This is the one that y'all are trying to target, but y'all are in 14th place for that. So you're never going to be at the top targeting a word in that manner. It's the right word. We just need to really boost up how many times it's written on your homepage on top of increasing the content. Same thing with Paris accidents. Y'all are targeting that word, but you're in 19th place. Attorney Sulphur Springs, which this is y'all's home area, and y'all are still in 12th place for that. So there's a lot of work to be done, but like I said, there's not a whole lot of competition in these markets. It should be pretty easy to overtake, that first place spot. We'll go ahead and take a look at Moore Law Firm here. So organic keywords. Click on this again. So as far as attorneys in Paris, Texas, so you see they're in second place for this, and there's not a lot of content on their site. So that tells me it wouldn't take a whole lot more content on your page to jump up in front of them in that aspect of the game. Lawyers in Paris, Texas, they're in third place for that. So you see, there's a lot of opportunity here, and they're actually kind of show you another little statistic here. So they're pulling in 197 organic traffic a month to their website. On y'all's home page, whenever someone just clicks on roperandwhite.com, not any of the service pages, y'all are only pulling in 35 organic traffic a month. I see y'all have a bunch of Google ads everywhere, so it kind of surprises me that nobody's clicking on those anymore than they are. And I know those Google ads, especially for as dense of a niche as what y'all are in, I know those ads get pretty expensive per click. So that's another goal that I have whenever I work with companies, is just to eliminate that total expense for Google ads. We're going to go over here to Keith Miller's website. So he's pulling in 178 in the Tyler area. And y'all are pulling in 0 organic traffic for the Tyler area. So you're not getting any exposure for that Tyler back page. That being said, I'm going to go ahead and move into a thing that I call citations. So whenever someone searches for you, we'll say Tyler, Texas, for example, you have what's called the Google Map Pack. And this consists of name, address, and phone number of any businesses. And the way that you get into the Google Map Pack is by citations. And these citations, you go out and you put in your information to a lot of high quality websites, like a bunch of indexes, really, like Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, YouTube. I mean, there's a ton of them that you can enter for. So y'all are sitting at 34 right now. Keith Miller's sitting at 39. And actually, whenever you start this process, you can come in here and you can see all of the citations that they're using. So you can actually go down through here and not take their citations, but use them. You're not necessarily stealing them, because they're still going to be using them. But you can see kind of where they're getting an edge on you, and you can jump out in front of them and then go find even more citations that are brand new to you and that they're not using right now. You need to bump that number up to 200 to 300 to really be in the game and push everybody out. Nobody will be able to get in front of you in that Google Map Pack if you're able to get to that 200 to 300 mark for citations. Third thing I want to talk about are going to be backlinks. So backlink is essentially where you have website A pointing to website B, and whenever another website's pointing to that website B, it's giving website B more authority. The more backlinks you have from a bunch of different domains, the more authority Google gives your website, especially whenever it's high quality backlinks. Like if you were to put a backlink to a Pizza Hut webpage, it's not going to do you any good because it doesn't really pertain to your industry. However, if you put one on another law website and it has a link to your page, that's going to give you a lot of authority, especially if it's a popular website that you're linking to. But looking here, y'all have a lot of backlinks, just not a lot of domains. So there would need to be some work done here. Go find some more domains to get a hold of, increase that backlink profile. More law firm, they're kind of in the same boat. Y'all kind of have the same backlink profile. Looking at domain, well, actually they had quite a few more domains, about twice as many. Keith Miller, he doesn't really have that many backlinks, but his ratio of backlinks to domains is pretty good, all things considered. And that's another thing that's driving in his traffic, is having that good backlink profile. But that being said, I apologize for the length of the video. I was trying to target both of these areas just so I could kind of show you where y'all are standing for the Paris and the Tyler area. I know y'all target more areas than just these, but these seem to be the two most prominent areas for clientele as far as population density goes. That being said, I hope I can help y'all out. I hope you like what you saw today. If you have any questions, just reach out to me at 903-715-7876. I'd really like to sit down and kind of talk to you and Daniel about how I can further help you towards your goals and kind of see what your goals are for y'all's business. I know y'all are trying to target a lot of areas right now, and I wouldn't be surprised if you were even trying to maybe move into the Metroplex a little bit here in the future. But I'd like to eliminate that cost that you have going into Google Ads. Doesn't seem to be doing a whole lot, and I know those billboards get expensive too. I just want to help you out however I can and just really help another local business grow, especially being this close to home. I mean, Sulphur Springs is just right down the road, as you know, from Paris. But that being said, once again, my name is Zach. Just call me at 903-715-7876. I really look forward to talking to y'all. Y'all have a great night. Thanks. We'll talk to you later.